everybody, this is Raj from Game Gorillas, and I wanted to show this amazing little source code to you guys today. And it's based on, of course, you would have seen the image, it's based on the Crossy game that has been extremely popular in the iOS and the Android store in the past couple of months. And the reason why this game is so popular is because these developers of Crossy Roads did a very nice thing and a very innovative thing. They took the concept of a game called Frogger, which was a hit game in the I think 1990s in the arcade section, in the arcade era. And even today, a lot of people love playing that game because of the mechanics. So even though the style is new, but this kind of a gameplay is always loved by people. So this game and this code is never gonna get old. So even if you're seeing this video 1 year, 2 years down the line, this code could still do wonders for you. Now, let me not talk about this much. And oh, by the way, before I start, I'm not sure if a lot of guys know about this, but the Crossy Roads guys have made about $1 million in video ad revenues in the past 45 days alone. So you guys get the idea. Now let's go straight to the source code and its features. Now, alright, so this is let me just play this again. And alright, so this is the main loading screen. It takes about two odd seconds for the game to load. This is the number of jumps, this is the number of coins that we've collected, and these are the selections of the characters. Now in the code that you'll get, let me mention that only 3 characters there, not all of them, but you can always increase the number of characters, then the number of people, or you can change, you can even put in-app purchases, which is not there. I would like to mention that this game does not have all the features of Crossy Roads. It just has basic characteristics, but even then, it could be a very good platform for you to build something like Crossy Roads on top of it. Uh, Alright, so let me just select this character. Okay, I can't select this because I need 400 coins for this. Let me just play with this one only. Alright, so let's start, and I can probably show you the ways that the character dies. Now if I don't move the character on time, this is what happens and the character dies. Now let's move ahead and start. Now if you notice that the landscape changes randomly, so whenever you play next time, it's never the same. Let me kill the character. Alright, let me just go there. Let me kill the character while on this. Alright, so we guys was just sitting and probably having fun with this game, and somebody just came up with the team that he's going to use this particle system. Of course, you guys can use anything that you want. You can remove this. You can probably put, birds flying around the character or anything at all. So the choice is yours. Let me just again play. This was one way of dying when the character comes under the car. Now let's go. Okay, sorry, that was one. Let me just show you what happens. Okay, now you can see that the environment changed, and now we have the logs coming up. Okay, that wasn't cool. I actually swiped left. Okay, one second. Alright, so let's see what happens when I. Alright, so when I hit the car from the side, my character basically gets stuck onto it, just like the Crossy Road style, and he just taken with the car. Now another way of dying is okay, via these trains. Let me just go ahead and stop it. So as you can see, yeah. So these signals basically showcase that the train is about to come, and when you can actually cross with the green lights. So that's how it works. Let me now show you. I'm pretty sure you guys have already seen the logs. And before I forget, the most important thing in the game is that you can actually. This game is not just landscape based; it is portrait based as well. And let me just show you while playing again. This is iPhone tall. Let me just play again. This game works perfectly fine on both the resolutions. That means landscape as well as portrait. So your users have the option to just play with one finger and one touch, and so that works perfectly fine. And let me just try to go on the other side here. If something comes. Now, one more thing is if the user does not jump on the other log, he's bound to get killed automatically since he goes out of the camera area. So that's another way. So it's a pretty interesting game. It's well made. You know, you'll have fun working on this code. You can just change this code and all these elements to anything that you want. Is just simple, good old arcade game, and it's very addictive. It's endless gameplay. Uh, and as we all know, the endless gameplay gets you a lot of ad revenue because the player just wants to beat his own score. So you can use this as a base, or you just use this code as a complete code and work on it with your own theme. You know, make something in the kids theme, anything that you guys want. So excellent code. I'll probably just show you a couple of more things in it. All right, let's go there. All right. Yeah, I think this was the part that was remaining. So now that you've seen this as well, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoy it, have fun with it, and let us know in case there are any questions at all. Just click the contact button, and we'll be happy to help. Cheers, guys. Take care.